Hey there. So, if you've been thinking about getting into crypto but feel a little nervous, don't worry. You're not alone. I'm going to show you how to trade safely on one of the world's most trusted platforms, where millions of people are already buying and selling every day. The cool thing is, it's not just for experts. Over 250 million people from more than 180 countries use it, and you can trade over 350 different coins, from the big names everyone knows to the smaller ones just starting to grow. Signing up honestly takes just a couple of minutes. You make your account, do a quick identity check, and that's it. Your account is safe and secure, so you don't have to stress about your money being at risk. And here's the part I love. You don't have to sit there glued to the screen all day. There are built-in tools that help you. For example, a limit order lets you set your profit target, so your crypto can automatically sell when it reaches that price. And a stop limit order, that one's like a safety net, protecting you from big drops by selling before it falls too far. And don't worry if you're brand new to this. The platform actually has a bunch of resources to help you learn as you go. The more you understand, the safer and smarter your trades become. Think of it as learning step by step, instead of diving in blind. So if you've been waiting for a sign to start, this is it. Go ahead, create your account, explore the different coins, and see for yourself how easy it really is. I've left the link for you in the description. Go check it out and take your first step into crypto today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy trading.
One of the best things about crypto trading is freedom. Imagine being able to trade from your living room, your bedroom, or even while traveling. Spot trading means you can buy and sell coins instantly at the current market price. No middlemen, no delays, it's just you, your phone, and the internet. It doesn't matter if you're in Karachi, New York, or a small town, as long as you have Wi-Fi, you can trade. And the best part? You don't need huge amounts of money. You can start small, practice, and get comfortable before investing more. It really gives you control over your own money. Now I know what you're thinking, does trading really mean I can win? Well, yes, but winning in trading doesn't always mean becoming a millionaire overnight. Winning means making smart moves, learning how the market works, and slowly building your profits. With every trade, you get better, and soon you'll notice that you're not just sitting back, you're actively managing your own future. Remember, crypto markets move fast, and they're open 24/7, so you get plenty of opportunities to practice and grow. Every little win adds up, and over time, that's how you start seeing real results. Picture this. Instead of waking up early, rushing through traffic, and sitting at an office desk all day, you open your laptop at home, sip your tea, and start trading. That's one of the biggest attractions of crypto trading. Your home literally becomes your office. No boss watching over your shoulder, no commuting stress, and no wasting hours in traffic. You set your own schedule, work at your own pace, and the best part is, the market is open all the time. So whether you're a night owl or an early riser, you can trade whenever it suits you. Isn't that freedom worth exploring? Okay, here's something very important: risk management. This is what separates smart traders from risky gamblers. A good rule is to never put all your money into crypto. Divide it wisely, maybe 40% into trading, and the rest, 60%, into safer assets like your home, your savings account, or other investments. That way, even if the market goes up and down, you're not putting your whole financial life at risk. Remember, trading is exciting, but it should never take away your peace of mind. Only invest what you can afford, and keep your safety net strong. Another tip, especially for beginners, always trade strong, trusted coins. Coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, or Solana are considered strong because they've been around for years, and millions of people trust them. Yes, their prices move, but they're way more stable compared to random, meme coins. Meme coins might look fun, but they can skyrocket one day and crash the next, leaving people with big losses. So if you want to build steady profits and not stress out every second, stick to the strong coins. Think of it like choosing a stable car over a toy scooter. You'll thank yourself later. Before we wrap up, let me say this: crypto is a journey, and we're all learning together. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, share this with your friends, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. And of course, subscribe for more simple, beginner-friendly tips. Trust me, once you start exploring, you'll realize that crypto trading isn't just a trend, it's the future of money. So, let's learn, grow, and trade smart together. Read the description and get started now.